Hi everyone. Very good morning and good evening to all. Let us start our today's session. So I have received the messages that you are facing some issues on the expression transformation exercise 7 and 8. Okay, let me check what is that exercise. Okay, this one 7 and 8. Okay, so this one. So this one create. So I will let you know the logic. You try it today. Okay, so everyone try it today. If you are not able to do, let me know. Then tomorrow I will do it. Okay. So just try today. So what is this exercise 10? 10 also. These logics are simple only, but the 7 and 8, yeah, 7 little bit we have to try. Let me explain the logic. You try today. And this is the one, right? Input we are passing 1, A here, B, C, D, and even E and F. So whatever the number we are passing, no issues. See here, if I pass A, that should be printed like lowercase and only one time. So first we need to pass one time. Second, we need to print 2 times, right? So third, 3 we need to put 3 times. So you can go for some sequences. The sequences you can pass, okay? Like on the numbers, you can get it print multiple times. Whatever the number you want to print, okay? The same number you have to do 2 times. If it is 2, if it is 3, if it is 4. If it is 4 means yes, you can put some hard-coded logic. But even if you are going for 5, 6, 7, in that way, you have to use expression transformation only. So try, okay, sequences only you have to try. Or you even you can use ASCII values. Okay, so ASCII values you can try. So based on the ASCII value, you can print, okay, how many times you want to. Say for an example, capital A, ASCII value is 65, right? So modulus of 65, you will get remainder, or modulus of 64, you will get remainder 1. Something like that, okay? You have to do some logic. You will get some reminders and you will get based on the reminders or based on the sequences, you can print the number of times. So this is one logic. So this is the one you are giving 2 columns. You have to combine the 2 columns. So first column underscore, second column underscore sequence number. So that we have to put here. So again, this one, first column, second record. Okay, first column, second column, underscore, next sequence number. So this is the one. So this way you have to print. Okay, so try this too. And the 10th one is, yeah, you have to go for, so create a mapping to find sum of salaries for all the employees. The sum should repeat for all the rows. Okay, so this one normally will go for, so if it is the SQL statement, just 1 second. Okay, you are getting A underscore B underscore 0, C underscore D underscore 1. Now that's what I told. You have to print a sequence from 1, not from 0. So you know, right, how to generate sequence from 1 in expression transformation. So that you have to use. Or if you're getting 0, add plus 1. That whatever the sequence you are getting, right? Add plus 1, sequence plus 1. So you will be getting 1 sequence next to the next one plus 2 in that way. Okay. Yeah, in that way you try the logic. Okay, so here, say for an example, select star from, so you want to get employees, comma, sorry, employee underscore ID, comma, first underscore name, comma, salary, and you want cumulative salary. Can I put here sum of salary? Sum of salary, is it possible to put sum of salary here? No, right? So you cannot use sum of salary from employees, right? It is not possible, right? If you select this way, you will get error. But if you use the keyword called over, then you will get the salary, right? See here, this is what I want in uh, in this logic. So first record their salary, then the cumulative salary, right? So you have to put this way. And even if you are going for something like sum of salary, even department ID wise. So department underscore ID, comma, department ID, this sum of salary, comma, this one. So department wise, you need to get salary here. So you can put partition by, right? Partition by department ID. So you can use this way. So within that group, you can get, see, 10th department, this is the salary. So out of this much, this is the salary. And his salary is this much. So why? Because only one member is there. So 20th department, 2 employees are there. 2 employees are getting 19,000 out of this much salary. This department is getting this much salary. With this salary, these 2 employees are getting 13,000, 6,000. So this way. Okay, got it right. So how to make in SQL statement? The same one I want in Informatica Power Center. Just to try this. So how you are getting? So I try with the same logic. So how you will use this type of logic in expression. That's what I have given. Okay. So if you're not able to do, let me know tomorrow. So I will tell you how to create. Okay. So other exercises you are completed, right? So you have completed. So now what I will do. So after today's session, I will send you this case studies, all the case studies. Okay. So all the case studies, I will send it to you. So try with this case studies. So I do have so each and every sessions, we have the case studies. Let me check. Yeah, I do have case studies that I will send it to you all. I think somewhere I have kept. So those case studies, I will send it to you. Try to complete those case studies also. So it will be useful for both Informatica Power Center as well as IICS. Okay. So if you are trying that, yes, it will be useful for both. So try that. So definitely you can able to complete. Okay. Yeah. So I hope in this coming week, most of the systems, this particular runtime environment will get expired. Okay. So if it is getting expired, if you have already created a mapping, okay, please make a note of it. So anyhow, this week or next week, it will get expired. Okay. So what you have to do, you have to go to your folder. So data integration, you can go to your folder. So if you want these mappings to your new account, go to explore. Go to explore. So what is your folder here? If you want to take this entire project, yes, you can click on this 3 dots. So you can export it. It's the entire project itself. Okay. Click on this export. Kindly make a note of it. So click on export. This is the job name will be created. Include all dependencies for the selected assets. So click on export. So what we are doing, all these assets we are exporting as a single package. So it will be running here. The package will be created here. It should be successful. And you can see here one button here to download. So go to download. So this is what we used to download it from one system, and we'll go for the next environments, other environments. So we have downloaded, right? So here we have downloaded. So once we have downloaded, yes, you keep it today. And if you are going for the new account, so there you can import it. So go to the same explore here, and you'll be finding import options, right? So click on the import options, then click on choose file. So whatever the file we have downloaded here, so just select on this. Okay. So click on the import. So it will get imported. Got it? Okay. See here, all the dependent object connections and everything should get imported. Clear? This is for if you are creating a new account. So how can I create a new account? How can I import it? Are you clear? Any doubts? Okay. So if this account is getting expired, so what we need to do? So first of all, if you go and check here, in the home, you will not see this Informatica cloud hosted agent. So this will not be available. Even sometimes what we will do, we will not note, sorry. So this Informatica cloud hosted agent will not be up and running. It will not be available actually. And we can go to this mapping. We will try to execute this mapping. So that time it will not be executed. Okay, you'll be getting error. And you'll be getting error. Okay, I will send you this recording. Kindly watch this recording, how to import and export. It is very simple. Okay, so go to this import, this option explore, click on this 3 dots and export it, and go to your new account, import it. Very, very simple. There is no issues here. Okay, AWS connections and Snowflake connections. See, all the connection will get imported. But the thing is, you have to create an account. Okay, you have to create an account here. You have to create a table here. So if Oracle anyhow, it will be available. But AWS Snowflake, if it is getting expired, yes, same connections you have to create in the new account as well. The same account you need to create. So then only it will be working, right? So otherwise it will not work. So that you have to follow. And for an example, this particular runtime environment will not be available. So what you have to do? So first of all, if it is not available, so we have already exported the objects. You can click on sign out. Click on sign out. Go to your control panel. Okay. So go to your control panel and then go to uninstall a program and uninstall your Informatica Cloud Secured Agent. So completely you have to uninstall it. So completely uninstall, will get uninstalled. After uninstall, you can go to your C drive, program files. See, please follow this same step. Even I will give you the video. Okay, I have already posted a video. Follow this. If you are following correctly, you can able to do it without any issue. Why? Because I'm following like I have created 10 to 15 times on the same machine. There is no issues. Okay. So you can go to the C drive program files Informatica Cloud Secure Agent. Just to select this particular folder, shift delete. Delete it completely. Delete this folder completely. Then again, you have to follow the same step which we have already followed. Okay, clear on this? So you have to uninstall completely. And if some of the services are not you are not able to clear it here, restart your machine and then clear it. Okay, services should not be up and running, any services. So just this folder should not be available. Then try newly, you can able to do it. Clear? I hope you are clear. So kindly do it. So if your account is getting expired soon, okay, you have to follow this. Okay, now we will go to the next topic. So in our last session, we have seen rank. We have seen router. Whether rank has been completed, rank. No, right? Rank we haven't completed. So router only. Okay. Yeah. So we can go to this. We have completed sorter, aggregator, router. We will go with rank now. We know already rank, right? See, this is the same thing. See here, select. I want to know the rank. So what is the rank? So rank wise, I have to order it. I want to rank my employees. I want to rank the transactions. Okay, like sales data. So a lot of rank we will do, right? So kindly watch my analytical functions in SQL. You will get all the ranks related stuff. So what is rank first of all? Say for an example, if you have any tables, select star from employees table. You can take this particular table. I want to rank the employees based on the salary, based on the hired date. Okay, anything I can do based on the first name. So anything I can do the ranking. So if you do first name on the ranking, you will be getting rank on the ASCII value. So, but normally we will go for numeric column. If I want to do the ranking on salary column, yes, we will do the ranking like this, right? Employee ID, when you want to go for first name, then we'll go for salary, department ID. Then I want to do rank. So how can I do the rank? So rank of over. So this within over, we have to put order by. So whichever the column we want to do order by, sorry, rank. So that column should be in the order by. And this one, whichever the column we want to go for the order by. Descending means highest to least we are ordering. So this one R and K is nothing but it's a rank. R and K is alias name. Just I'm giving employees, right? From employees. So if you see this, so this employee is getting highest salary, rank 1, next highest salary 2. These two employees are getting same salary, 3, 3, right? So 3 and 3, next salary will be 5 only. So why it is 5? So why? Because this is called rank. So rank means, so if there is a tie, yes, two members, if it is getting same salary, yes, you'll be getting, this is the way you'll be getting rank. Sorry, 1 minute. I will take. Okay, if you see this, even you can take this way, left hand side. I want to, so a lot of employees are available. I want to do the ranking on this particular salaries. Salary wise, I want to go for rank. First of all, I have to order it, right? I want to go for highest to least. Then I have to go for the order by descending order. I will order it. Then I'll go for the ranking here. So from the top one, so it is 1. Next highest will be 2. Next highest will be 3, right? Next highest will be 4. So next highest will be 5 and 5. So why it is 5 and 5? So why? Because two members are getting same salary. I have to give the same rank only. But the next person, okay, next salaried employee should be given a 7. So why? Because we are giving two rank for two employees, right? So that's why same rank for two employees. So 5, 6, 7. So that's why it is similar to our how we will do the rank on our school days, right? The same way. 7. The next will be 8. So this is also, sorry, this is also 8. And next will be 9. Then so 8, 8, 10, right? So 10, 11, 12, 12, 12. So since we have given 12, 12, 12, so 12, 13, 14, next will be 15, 15, 16, 17. So this is the way we used to give rank. Clear? If there is a tie, we will assign the same rank. Yes. Dense rank means, okay, for an example, up to here, it will be similar. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5. It is similar. Okay. But next will be consecutive rank will be assigned. So if there is a tie, yes, you will be getting assigning a consecutive rank 7 and 7. Next will be 9, 10, 10, 10, 11, Sorry, this is 9, 10. Sorry, this is 8. 8, right? 8, 9, 10, 10, 10, 11, 12, 13. So this is what you will get. Row number. So for an example, each and every record, if I want to give a unique number, then you'll go for row number. So it depends on the various scenario. We have to go for rank, dense rank, or row number. Sometimes we'll go for rank, sometimes we'll go for dense rank, sometimes we'll go for row number. For an example, in front of you there are 100 employees are standing. You have to take top 10 employees alone. Only 10, not more than that. Okay, 10 employees based on the salaries. So you'll go for rank. You will get only 10 employees. Okay, 10 employees based on the salary from highest to least. That you'll go for rank. Dense rank means if I want to go for, say for an example, if I want to go for 10 unique salaried employees, then you will get, so these many employees. It's a depends on the scenario you'll go for. So we're getting 14 employees, right? But all the 14 employees are getting top 10 unique salaried employees. So that's what it depends. So there might be a same rank, multiple employees are there. That's okay. But we are getting this based on the scenario. We'll go for rank or dense rank or row number. Row number means if there is a tie, even though there is a tie, we will assign a unique values. So based on this unique values, we will take the records. So that's what you can go for group by, any group by. If I want to go for group by in SQL, we'll go for partition by. But here it is group by very easy. In IICS or Informatica, rank is very, very easy. So you can do easily very rank by clicking one option. That's it. For an example, here I want to do the ranking. How can I do the ranking? I'll go to mapping here, create. Just I want to do ranking, M underscore rank underscore transformation. I want to do the ranking in the employees based on the salary, or I want to do the ranking on the transactions based on the transactional ID. Okay. So for each and every account, I have to take highest, the latest transaction date I have to take. Okay. Latest transaction date for each account. That means account number should be on the group by. Then you have to take the rank, right? So you have to take rank on this particular data. You have to take top on. Same way here also. So in that scenario, we'll go for rank. So rank transformation also, it will take some much time to compare each and every record. If you have more volume of record, yes, rank will take more time to compare. So performance wise, it will get impacted. To improve the performance, we can use sorter transformation. Before rank, we can use. So I'm taking this employees table here, but how can I do the rank? Rank is very similar to our Informatica Power Center, very similar. So I have taken employees table here. You can use rank transformation here. Just you can take rank, or from here you can drag and drop. Open this. Very simple. You can go to the rank. Which column I want to do the ranking? I want to do the ranking on this salary column. Yes. Top or bottom. Top means highest to least. Bottom means least to highest. I want to do ranking. Yes, you want to go for top. How many number of record I want to go for? You can go for, okay, I want to go for rank on top 10 or top 100. I want to go for top 100 salaried employees. So even if you want to give this number in the parameter, you can pass a parameter. Okay, so what is the number of rank you want to give? So that we can give it like a parameter. So this one I will explain later. While taking the parameter concept, I will take. So how to give this value as the parameter? From the parameter file, you can pass it in the runtime also. So we may not know today it's 100, tomorrow it might be 200. No need to change it. So from the parameter file, it will take. So that we can give. And if you want to go for any group by, yes, you can add some group by columns here. And here, yes, it will take the catching, right? Yes, this is the same one. It will take index cache. All this, already case sensitive comparison, right? So that's what it will take. So I'm doing top 100 salaried employees, right? You can go to the target here. I'm just taking the target. I can go to employees T underscore employees table. It is very simple. There is no much complexity here. It is similar to Informatica Power Center. And you can, if you want, you can do the truncate and load and go to field mapping. And you can do the smart map. And you can save it. It should be valid. You can start running. So before running, I will show you this table here, target table. Select star from E underscore employees table. This table I'm going to load. You can see here, there is no data. I'm going to run it. It will load top 100 salaried employees. Is group by not mandatory in rank, not mandatory. Okay, so group by whenever, say for an example, in front of you, there are 1,000 employees are standing. You want to rank all of them, right? Then no need to give group by. You assume that. So you take one college. There are 1,000 students are there. You want to rank all the students based on the CGPA. That is rank. Okay. But all the 1,000 students are first year, second year, third year, fourth year, right? Then you have to do rank on CGPA group by the year of study. So within year of study also, you can go for department wise. Okay, first year, you can have several departments, right? Mechanical department, civil department, something, okay, some science department or something like that. So you might be having, so based on the departments, you will be having this group. So that's what you can do. Clear. See here, I have given some data here. Okay, some data here. So this is my transactional date. Okay, so we are doing some transaction. You take some transactions on this particular date. See, this is sample data. It is not actual data like how we are storing into our real-time project. To understand the logic I have given. Okay, so each and every transactions across entire project, we will generate some unique transaction ID. So this unique ID, it is a unique ID. It will not be duplicated. Okay, each and every transaction will get unique ID. It's a sequence of numbers will get generated. Account numbers, yes. For this account number, this particular transaction happened. Name of the account holder. Normally, name we will not keep it in the table, but for your reference, I keep it here. And whether it is a credit or debit, and amount. So what is the amount? Balance amount. And each and every transaction we are doing it. And I want to take select top 5 balanced account. It's very simple. Balance amount, you can go for rank, and top 5 you can take. Select latest 5 transactions for each account. Since you are going for a mini statement, okay, your mini statement, top 10 transaction, top 5 transaction you are selecting. So irrespective of account, it needs to give. So each and every accounts, it needs to give the top 5 transactions, right? So you might have done transaction 10 days before, or today you have done, or 6 months before. Okay, irrespective of the transactional date, it should give the top 10 transaction data. So that you can go for group by account, take the rank on transaction ID. So that's what you have to go for. Yes, partition by account. So here in our rank, we have to go for group by. That's it, right? So we have taken here. It should be loaded. You can see here, it has loaded. Based on the salary, it has loaded, right? So all this. If you want to see the rank, yes, you can put the rank on any other columns. So you'll be getting one column like a rank index, extra column from the rank transformation. So what is this? See, one extra column is there, right? Rank index. It is nothing but, so this is the rank index. So this is the rank index. By using Informatica, Power Center or IICS rank transformation, you can do only rank, not dense rank. So directly by using rank transformation, you cannot do dense rank. You can do only rank transformation, rank. Clear? So what I will do, I will remove this, any of the column, just I will map it here, rank index. So this is numeric column, just I have given to show you that how it is generating the rank. If you see this, so 100 records has been loaded. You can go and check here. You'll be seeing the rank index on the manager ID column, right? You can see top 1, next to 2. Then you'll be getting 2, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, 3. Next will be 5, right? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 11, 11, right? So why? Because 3 members are getting same salary. 11, 11, 11. Next will be 14. Clear? So this is what rank will be. I want to go for each and every department. I want to get highest salaried employee. Highest salaried employee in each department. See, this is a question they will ask in interview. Okay, so I have employee table. I want to take highest salaried employee in each department. So how can I take highest salaried employee in each department? Top 1, highest salaried one, right? And each department, group by, click on the plus symbol and add the department ID as the group by. Just click on save. Then you'll get highest salaried employee in each department. You will get it. Clear? So this is what they will ask in interview. So different questions. Okay. Yes. For 12 departments, we have 12 records. You can go and check here. So every departments will have one record, 10, 20, 30, 40. All the departments we are having highest salaried employee in each department. So normally in SQL, we can go for subqueries, right? We'll go for subqueries or rank. Same way here also. Correct? So how can I take highest salaried employee in each department here? So highest salaried employee in each department. So max of salary group by department. No, max of salary group by department. Yes, if you want, you can go for subqueries. See, select star from this table. This table, this is one of the table, and where R and K equal to 1. But we have to put before order by, we have to put partition by, right? Partition by. See, these concept I have already explained in the aggregate functions. You can check it here. See, this is the one. So department wise, highest salaried employee. So each department we are taking top 1. So if you want, you can check it. Same thing, you can do it on the select max of salary, right? From employees group by department ID, right? Department underscore ID. But you cannot select as it is here. So you have to select department ID also. Select star from. So this is the query. So now why I'm writing this one, they will ask in interview. Okay. So where department ID, comma, salary in, right? So they will ask this type of questions. So I have already explained this concept and all in the SQL statement itself. So if you haven't watched, please watch my SQL sessions. So you will get same records. You'll get the same record, right? So if you take this one, you'll be getting the same record here. So top 1. So if you want to make order by here, order by department ID, yes, you can put order by department ID or order by, so whatever it may be. Okay, clear. So this is what they will be asking. I have already explained this. If in a department we have two employees have same highest salary, then it will show two records. Yes, it will show two records. So why? Because we are taking rank equal to 1, right? So that's why it will show two records. So even if we do not have any records, no, here we do not have. So if you want to test it, you put the highest salary. Say for an example, 13,000 for 20th department, right? You put same 20th department for this one. One more record on the same department. Then test it. Okay. So you will get both. So if you want to get both, whether you have to go for, you are filtering out rank equal to 1, right? That's what. So based on that, you will get. So you have to modify it based on the requirement. I hope you are clear. So what is this rank? How it will rank will work, and will you able to do. So what is the transformation scope in rank? See, that's what I have already explained, right? Transformation scope. So you want to do rank on all the records? That's what transformation scope. So you want to do the rank on all the records, right? So all input, you have to do the ranking. It will create a caching. For going for a caching, right? So wherever the transformation having a caching, so in that caching transformation, you will have this kind of informations. Like if you go here, this one, transformation scope, you'll have. If you keep on here, specifies how the transformation logic is applied to incoming data, right? All input. You want all input or transaction input. Transaction means it will have some DML operation, some record is marked for DML operation, that one. But we have to put for scope for all the records. All the record means all this record it will be taken. Wherever you are creating a caching, a data cache or index cache, you will be seeing this transformation scope. So where you will see a rank transformation, aggregator, you open this aggregator, you can see this transformation scope, right? I have already explained this. And you want to go for, sorry, you want to go for sorter. Sorter transformation will create a caching, right? Sorter. So you take the sorter here. So open this. So go to advanced. You'll be seeing the transformation scope. Okay, got it? So other transformation will not have it. So it's creating a caching on the incoming data. That's why it will create the transformation scope for all the records. So I hope you are clear. So how it will do the ranking all this. So will you able to do dense rank by using expression? Can you try this dense rank by expression today? Will you able to try dense rank by this one? Yes. So try this. If not, let me know. I will do it. Okay. This is very simple. What you have to do, take this record, compare with previous record. If both are not equal, you have to increment by 1. But before that, you have to sort it. Okay. You have to sort the record and compare it. It is similar to Informatica Power Center. There is no changes here. Okay. So try to do this. So this is what rank transformation. I hope rank is clear, right? Any doubts on the rank? Shall we go to the next transformation? Lookup. So will you able to do rank or should I do it today? Dense rank. 15 minutes are there. Shall I do it or you will do? Okay. Yes, then I will do one connected lookup today. Okay. Then we'll go for unconnected lookup tomorrow. See, this lookup also, it is very similar to Informatica Power Center, but very small changes are there. Very, very small changes. So that I will tell you. So here lookup, we have the both connected and unconnected. So what is lookup transformation, first of all? So lookup means we want to look up some values. So I hope you know So what is meant by VLOOKUP, right? So here from the source, I'm getting some value, some ID column. I'm getting ID like 20. Okay. ID like 20 or your employee ID or whatever it may be, you are getting like 20. So what is this 20? So I want to check this ID, department ID 20 or product ID 20 or whatever maybe you are getting this ID column 20. So what is this? I want to check. So you'll be going for joining, right? So if it is homogeneous sources, you'll be joining by using source transformation. If it is heterogeneous, then you have to join based on the joiner transformation. Else, if you do not want to use joiner, you can go for lookup. You can look up some values and then get these values to the output. So that's what we'll go for the lookup transformation. But in Informatica Power Center, if you take this is my source, okay, we have some product ID here, 20 it's coming. What is this 20? So this is my product table. Okay, you assume that this is my product table. So product ID, you'll be seeing this product table, okay, or SSN number or whatever it may be. So here I have the product ID. Then product name you'll be having, our product description you have something like this. Okay, so product name or descriptions, you assume that. Okay, so product name. So what you will do normally, so you'll be joining this product ID here. This is incoming and you'll be having a product ID here. So this is 20 from source. This is 20. You'll be matching this 2020 and you'll be getting product ID outside, right? So you'll be taking outside this. But in IICS, no need to go for separate pipeline. So in the same pipeline itself, you can bring. So that's the advantage. Okay, same pipeline. So this is source. You can get the lookup. You can get the output here. Same thing. Got it? So you can look up the values. You know, I hope you have already completed join a transformation to join the values, right? See, I have employees table. You assume that I have employees table here. For each and every departments, for each and every employees, I want to find out. So what is the department name? The corresponding department name for this particular employee. What is 100? So where will you check? How many employees are working in this particular department? So I want to check, right? I'll go for departments table. I will look up what is 100. Okay, 100 is nothing but finance department located at this particular location, 1700. So what is 1700? I cannot give 1700 as the location, right? To my business. If I want to give to my business, I have to say what is 1700. So that should be looked up in locations table. That's what lookup. So I have to do the lookup, right? So here, how can I do the lookup? It's very simple. So I'm just creating a new mapping. Is it clear? So lookup is both we have connected and unconnected. So what is that? Connected and unconnected transformation. What is connected? Connected means it will be there in the pipeline. So the transformations will be there in the pipeline. Yes, you'll be getting the connections. But unconnected means some reasons, some scenarios will go for unconnected lookups. Go for unconnected lookup. I will tell you tomorrow. I will tell you when will you go for unconnected lookup. So what scenario will go for unconnected lookup? But 80% of the logic will go for connected only. Very few will go for unconnected lookups. 20%. That I will tell you where we will go for unconnected one. But how to do the connected one? So this is what we'll go for connected lookups. So I will take, this is the M underscore connected lookup transformation. So as of now, we are seeing the transformations separately, but after some time, I will give you the transformation logic to combine the transformations and see some logics. Okay. So I'll go for source, even target. You can go for source and target, any sources and targets. So we have seen all the connections. That's why I'm taking the same table to table connections. Okay. So you can use this one. And I want to look up. It's very simple. You can go to here, you can go here, you can go to lookup. That's it. In the pipeline itself. Which table I want to look up? I want to look up departments table. So here you go to lookup object. which table I want to look up. I want to look up on departments table, which is available in the source connection, this connection itself. You can go here, go to departments, select this lookup objects, and this is what lookup object, right? If you want to preview the data, preview. See, look, multiple matches I will tell you here. So we have 5 options here. So these 5 options, I will tell you separate sessions we have. That sessions, I will tell you what is this options, all the options, okay? If you go to advanced, you can see here the tracing level that I will explain. Lookup SQL override. For an example, you are looking up some table, right? This table. You are looking up some table. In this table, you want to get only active records, not inactive record, or some status only you have to check it. So you can put while creating the lookup, you can get some data. So this way, select star from the table name where status equal to active. Then only the active record will be looked up. So that's what you can go for. Here some SQL override, but we do have some sessions to check this SQL override. We will write it. And if I want to write some filter condition alone, say for an example, active record alone, you want to check. So you can put this kind of filter conditions here. You can put. Whenever you are creating a lookup, Informatica very first time, very first while running, it will create a lookup cache. Okay. It will create a lookup cache. It will check whether your mapping has lookup. It will create a lookup cache. And then once the lookup cache has been built, then it will take the data. It will take the data from source. It will be compared with the cache only, and then it will proceed with the data to target. Okay. It will not go and hit every time lookup table. So that's what lookup cache will be enabled. By default, lookup cache will be created. The by default cache will be static cache, but we do have dynamic cache, persistent cache, all this. I have separate session for this lookup cache. I will explain all this. Okay. So which directory it will create? In this directory it will create. If you want to persist the cache in the server itself, then you can persist. But if you don't enable this property, once the session is completed, the lookup cache will get vanished. Okay. Say for an example, this is my employees table. So employees table, you have 1 million employees in the source. Okay, you have 1 million employees in the source. But here you have 100 departments. So every time you are running this session, every time this 100 records, no need to create a caching. You can go for persistent cache. If you are not enabling the persistent cache, then Informatica will erase this cache. Okay, it will vanish the cache. It will be vanished. So that's what you'll go for lookup cache. These options we will see later. So all these optionals. And now we'll go for the lookup condition. Go for lookup condition. Lookup condition is very important. As I told in the joiner, we are getting the same column name, right? Here also in the employees table, also department ID, departments table, also department ID. See, normally in Informatica Power Center, if you drag and drop, it will be automatically renamed. But in IICS, it will not get renamed. You have to go to this conflict, resolve conflict. You have to select source. It is giving you, okay, you can select the source and prefix. See, I'm just giving source is employees table. I'm just making employees underscore. So whatever the way you want to give, you can prefix it. And if you click on the plus symbol, you can choose here department ID equal to department ID. See, one advantage of lookup, in lookup, you can go for non-equi joins. So any dummy columns, you can compare it and go for less than, greater than, some date. Okay, date column you can create an expression. You can check it. Okay, date is greater than this particular date. Okay, you are getting source date. So source, you are getting some date. You want to validate it. Some card expiry date. It should be greater than this particular date. Today's date or something date you want to compare it. You can get some dummy column from the or hard-coded value from the expression. Then you can compare it less than, greater than, all the symbols here. That is non-equi join here. If you want to perform. Okay, but lookup is always left outer join. Okay, you know, right? So lookup is always left outer join. If you have 1000 records here, all the 1000 records will be passed to the next transformation. All the 1000 records will be getting next transformation. It is similar to Informatica Power Center. There is no special property here. Only special property in Informatica IICS is this one, lookup policy on multiple matches, all values, right? All values. So in Informatica Power Center, based on this, it will become active or passive transformation. But in IICS, it's an active transformation. Why? Because you have written on all rows. So this concept I will take later, tomorrow or day after tomorrow. But this is what you will get it. Okay, there is no separate concept here, but little bit changes are there. Return field. So these fields are from lookup table. These fields are from lookup table. If you do not want any field, it is unnecessarily creating a caching, then you can remove this field if you want. If you want, you can remove this field from the lookup. So whichever the lookup table we have, that column will be available in the return fields, departments table, right? So this is what you can go for. The advanced, whatever we have seen in the lookup object advanced properties, that will be available here in the advanced. Okay, this concept we'll see later, but this is what the one. And I can go for the targets. It is very similar. I can go to the target here. So I'm just taking this one. I will take this particular table. I want to load it. The department ID, for corresponding department ID, I have to load department name and location ID. So how can I load it? So I'm just truncating the table. I will truncate the table, truncate table, table name. I have truncated. I'll go here. So there is no data in the table. I will select this particular table. If you want, you can select from here. Department, right? Employees underscore departments. You can search it. This is the table. So you should have created this table for joiner exercises or this exercise. Okay, you can go for field mapping. Just you can do the smart map. You can check it here. Okay, this department ID is getting from departments table. You can unmap it. You can get from employees table itself. Okay, department name and location ID. Clear on this? So there is no differences. Just click on save. Do we have a shared lookup like Power Center? Yeah, these concept I will take. Yes, we have the shared lookup. Lookup caching is similar to Power Center. I will take the shared cache, persistent cache, all this on the cache session. But this one is common. That's why I have taken today. This is similar to Informatica Power Center. There is no differences. So lookup is always left outer join. Do you know why? See, that's why we are getting 105 records, all this. If you go and check, you'll be getting this department ID, department name, and then location ID. See here, you'll be having null value on the right hand side. So why you have null value on the right hand side? So why? Because null value is coming from the source itself. This null value is not, it is not equating with any records in the departments table. That's why you are getting records. Okay, lookup is always left outer join. So that means from the source table, you will get all the records. If it is matching from here, it will get the records. If it is not matching, you'll get null value on the right hand side. Lookup is always left outer join. Please remember this. But sometimes they will ask in interview, how will you make lookup as inner join? Sometimes they will ask, how will you make lookup is inner join? See here, after lookup, you have to add filter transformation. Add filter here. I go to filter. So go to advanced filter, define filter condition. So you can put not of, is null of the department name column. That's it. Okay, so validate. It should be validated. Save. And you can run. So instead of 105 records, this time 104 records will get loaded. So this one is interview question. Sometimes they will ask, so how will you make lookup is inner join? So you should not apply this filter condition on the lookup itself. If you apply lookup itself, then again you will get null value on the right hand side. See here 104 records, right? So that one record, one null value record will get removed, will get filtered out. So this is the way you can make lookup as inner join. In IICS, lookup is active transformation. Yes, correct. It is an active. So both in Power Center also, it is by default will be passive. But if you want to go for lookup policy on multiple match all values, if I give, then it will become active transformation, right? So if you enable that property, you cannot join that any record to the next level transformation. Why? Because it will become active. So you cannot drag and drop from the source and lookup, right? You cannot connect it. You have to go for joiner, you have to join it. But here, by default, it is an active. So that's why they have, in the lookup itself, they have given. See, two ways you can give in IICS. Direct pipeline itself you can give, or if you want to give, so here, then connect from here. Yes, that is also possible. You can give. Okay, so as per my understanding, okay, I got one question. As per my understanding, we can attain this with the joiner itself. Why we are going for lookup? Yes, see, joiner, you can do it, right? But lookup, that's what I told. Lookup, you can have table in any side, right? Source side, target side. Even you can take lookup on the flat files. Okay, so that particular time and condition based, you can go for condition based lookup. Right? Okay, if condition met, you can do the lookup. Otherwise, no need to do the lookup. So that's the way. Okay, and also a lookup, you can go for some filter conditions. Okay, status. So you want to get this particular record alone. Yes, you can put some filter condition on the lookups. There are a lot of difference are there. So that differences, I will take lookup and joiner. Once lookup has been completed, I will tell you so that you will get clear idea. Okay, this is what we have to go for lookup. This is what we have to go for joiner, all this. But lookup, connected lookup, is it clear? Any doubts? So if you have any doubts, please raise hands. I will unmute. You can ask me now. But unconnected lookup and lookup catch, lookup policy and multiple match. So those concept I will take forthcoming sessions. If you have any doubt on these topics, please wait. I will take tomorrow. Then you can get clear. Yeah.
Yeah, hi Chandra. I have one
Mhm,
question in Joiner.
mhm.
In Joiner, we have one checkbox like for sorted input,
Yeah, correct.
and we have an exercise for that, like half records to one table and half records to another table. There is one exercise.
Yeah,
So
correct.
there we need to take expression aggregator and Joiner also. There we need
Yeah,
to
correct.
checkbox that sorted input, right? Like why we are using that sorted input exactly? I mean, I know some
Yeah,
reason, but I don't know
yeah,
exactly.
if it is, if the transformation becomes active, okay, if you want to get two two pipeline, both are like active from the same source qualifier, then if you are joining it, you have to give sorted data only. So
Sorry,
then
can you
only
come again?
it will get sorted.
Can you please repeat that?
So if you have two pipelines, okay, so two pipeline this way, both the pipelines is coming originated from the same source qualifier.
Okay,
Okay. If you are joining it,
okay,
then you have to give sorted input. You have to enable the sorted
okay,
input in the joiner.
okay.
Okay.
Yeah,
Directly it cannot able to join. If both are like active pipeline, active transformation pipeline. See,
okay,
active and passive only you can able to connect it in the joiner. Okay, directly.
yeah,
Active, you cannot join directly. You have to enable the sorted input. Before
okay.
sorter, you have
Yes,
to put, before that joiner, you have to put sorting. Sorter, you have to put. So
okay.
you might have used uh, aggregator also there, right?
Yes,
Yes. So both are active. Both are active means you cannot join it.
okay. Yeah,
Okay, so any other questions from others? If you have any questions, please raise hands. I will unmute. You can ask me now. So today's exercise, kindly complete the previous exercises which I have given. I will give you the exercise for rank. Okay, rank transformation exercise. I'll give it to you. Find the dense rank by using expression. And I have given this rank exercise sheet. So from the sheet, you can do this one, these 3 questions. Okay, so try that. You can able to do. So just to create this table, load the data, or you can use this Excel sheet itself source. You know how to read the data from Excel sheet, right? So that you have to follow. Joiner compare with equal operator. Yes, joiner
In
will have
lookup,
only
as you told,
equi join. The
in lookup you
comparison I
told,
will tell you later. Okay, so joiner and lookup comparison I will tell you later. Joiner will do only equi join. Lookup will do all the non-equi join. Okay, but joiner can do 4 different joins. Left outer, that is your master outer, detail outer, full outer, and normal join. But lookup is always doing the left outer join. So there is some differences. I will tell you that. First we will complete lookup catch. Then we'll go for the differences. Then you will get to know all this very clearly.
hello,
Yeah, please go ahead.
you told lookup is a left outer, right? So it means left
Yeah.
outer means all the records from the right and only the common records from the left, right?
No. Left outer means irrespective of the right table, you will get all the record from the left table, matching record from the right table. If it is not matching, you will get null value on the right hand side.
Informatica it
Okay.
used to work an opposite way, right?
No. See, left outer means left outer only. Informatica, there is no left outer. It is master outer.
Oh yeah, sorry, master outer, right? It was, yeah, got it.
Concept wise, same, but the name wise, it is master outer. That's it.
Okay.
Yeah. Any other questions from others? Yeah. So tomorrow we will complete the unconnected lookups and different options also. So how to make more than one return port, all this we'll try to complete. Same concept, you can do it on the Informatica Power Center also. You can try with. Okay. So why? Because these questions they will ask in interview. If you are completing all the exercises, practice here, then building a logic in IICS is very easy. Okay. If you are practicing here, then in real time project, if you are creating a mapping logic from the scratch, it is very easy to create the logic. Okay, kindly practice it. And only a few members are not sending the exercises, so please try to send all the exercises. If you stuck somewhere, so please feel free to ask me. I will guide you. So I will, whenever I'm getting time, I will take your machine remotely and I will show you. But I will make you to practice. Okay, so please kindly do it. Yeah, I know most of them are busy with your day-to-day activities, but if you need 100% output, yes, you have to spend at least daily 1 hour time. Okay, yeah, kindly do it. So tomorrow we'll meet with the unconnected lookup all this concept. Okay, thank you all. I will send you the exercise sheet. Okay, thank you all. We'll meet tomorrow same time.